Hello everyone, thank you so much for being here. I'm assembling a quick and easy birthday card today with a brand new Unity Stamp Company stamp set. So let's mix things up with some pretty pattern paper, die cuts, and simple coloring for a fun birthday card. I've started out by stamping the candles and cake and sentiment from the Rainbow Birthday stamp set from Unity Stamp Company. I did the candles twice and then a light gray for the cake and the sentiment right over the top. All of that is on some Nina Solar White cardstock. I found this beautiful and many more paper pack by Pink Paisley, and I'm going to cover my card base with that Presents pattern paper. I love the colors in this, and it has a hint of shine from a bit of foil, so it does the shiny work for me as it's already included in that pattern paper. So I'm just going to put some glue down and then cover that up with the pattern paper, and then I'll trim it off so it matches the edges of the card. Next we're going to do a bunch of die cutting. So I have the deckled and stitched dies from Unity, and I'm planning out which one I like. I like that center one to die cut my sentiment and the cake out, and then I'm going to use the largest die to create some layers from the pattern paper and from the candles. So I'm going to line up the top edge over the top of the candles, run that through my die cut machine, and then I'll flip that over and die cut the bottom. So I have a nice deckled edge strip of these fun candles. Next I'm going to do the same thing, this time with the pattern paper. Just trim that down so it'd be easier to fit through my die cut machine, and then I'm going to line up the largest decal die. I'll die cut that twice so I get a perfectly sized strip of deckled edge pattern paper to layer behind those candles. And I'm just eyeballing this. I guess you could get a ruler out, but I'm just winging it. And then finally, I'm going to die cut that sentiment with the smallest deckled edge. Next, we're going to do some really simple Copic coloring. I'm not even doing any shading. I just grabbed these 5 colors of Copic markers that match the colors in my pattern paper. And I'm just coloring along. I'm making sure that there's a different color probably on every candle, and I'm just mixing up so they all look just a little bit different. Again, no shading involved. I'm just filling in the lines. This is meant to be a quick and easy card, and you can't get any simpler than just straight up coloring using markers. We're going to finish off with adding a bit of yellow to the flames. Now let's just layer everything up. So adding some adhesive behind that layer and then trimming off the edges so it matches my card front. And then I'm popping up those candles right in the center of that layer. Next, we're going to add some twine to the bottom of our sentiment. I left it a little bit longer for that reason. I knew I wanted there to be a bow at the bottom for my accent. So I just picked some twine that matched again the colors from the pattern paper, tied that into a bow with some really long tails. I don't know, I was feeling the long tails for this card. And then we're gonna pop that up so it's the same level as the candles. So I put some foam adhesive right below it and at the bottom of the die cut so it wouldn't create a bump behind that string. And then I'm going to add just some regular tape adhesive to the top so it'll adhere to the candle layer. And then everything is nice and even and all on the same level. And there's no bumps. Nobody likes bumps. Perfect. Now the pattern paper had this beautiful gold built into it, the foil accents, so I'm pulling that into my stamped images as well. I have a Wink of Stella gold pen, and I'm just adding some shine to the candles on different spots. I even went over the previous color, and you can see the hint of the green and the pink behind the gold. And then just a few star sequins to finish everything off. And here is the finished card. I love how quick and easy this was to create. with just some pattern paper, simple stamping and coloring, and you'll have a card ready to go in minutes. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to catch all my video tutorials, as it really helps my little channel grow. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon for another video. Bye.